Eech?
Eech is a delicious bulgur salad, which is cracked wheat, sauteed onions, tomatoes, and a bunch of seasonings, and it's pretty much good any time of the day.
We call it Eech. What do you call it? Cut an X into the bottom of the tomatoes, like that, and drop them into a pot of boiling water. After about 30 seconds, drop them into an ice bath, and the skins will peel right off. Dice up your tomatoes, hot pan with some oil, add 1 diced onion, and once they're sauteed, add in the tomatoes with their juices. Add a little water, cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, add tomato paste, seasoning, and I like to add a little pepper paste. You don't have to if you don't want to. Full recipe will be in the caption. Put it into a bowl, add your bulgur, medium bulgur. Give it a stir and let it sit. After about 30 minutes, once the bulgur plumps up, add parsley, green onions, don't forget the lemon juice, mix it all really well.
Grab a bowl, bed of lettuce, add your Eech, spread it out, green onions, parsley, and I like to use lettuce as a spoon.
A bow! Yeah! That's awesome. I really like it. The tomato, the bulgur, it's refreshing. Want some?